Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to cartoonize the picture easily using the ChatGPT. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the first step you can do, you can visit this ChatGPT, whether that from the website or even the application. You can open it, and also don't forget to do the login first with your email. And after that, I will open the sidebar over here, and you can click explore. And as you can see that this ChatGPT will give you a lot of references of GPT that can help you to create, let's say, something in specific way. And for example, I want to cartoonize the picture, so I will go to this category of DALL-E, and after that I will start to choose the GPT that can help me to generate or cartoonize the picture. So I will choose this cartoonize yourself, this one. And you can start to open the conversation by using these starters. For example, I'd like to upload a picture of my pet, or I'd like to upload a selfie. Which one do you prefer? However, you can also start this without these starters. You can click this start chat anyway. And after that, I will start to upload the picture from my gallery. And for example, I will add the photo over here. And for example, I will choose this one. And I will ask this GPT to help me cartoonize this picture. And kindly wait until the picture being uploaded. And after this picture being uploaded, so you can start to put your prompt or request, and you can continue to click send, and kindly wait for this GPT to help you cartoonize this picture. And after waiting for maybe 30 seconds until 1 minute, so this picture is now has been cartoonized, and you can also simply download it. And as you can see that the result is quite beautiful and also still identical with the previous picture. This is the previous picture and this is the result. Isn't that beautiful, right? So don't forget to try this cartoonize yourself GPT to help you create the cartoon of yourself. So that's all guys. I hope this video found you helpful and entertaining, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it in the comment section, because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.